Hey guys, how's it going today? I'm out here working on the Astro van. This is the first part of the lift, 3-inch lift I'm putting in. I got this shackle out already. As you can see, here's the old one, and there's the new one. All it is 2 bolts, one here, one here, one here, one here. This one hooks around your rear leaf spring. This one hooks to the frame. You might have to beat them out. I used a air chisel there and with the pointy thing and some wrenches. The head of it's 21 millimeter, and the bolt or the nut is 21 too, but I don't have a different kind of wrench. I had to use that one, so but we got it out. I'll show you here. You can see what I'll have to do is pull the end of the spring here down and get the top half in, and then try to get the bottom hooked. I'm going to put it way down here to give me as much lift as I can. So it's going to sit pretty high in the back for now till I can get the front done, but that's where I'm at right now. I'll bring you back when I get things situated here and figure out how I'm going to pull that down. So I'll see you in a little bit. Okay guys, so here's what this looks like without the lift. You can see how close it is here. I just got to put this side in, and then I'll show you what it looks like with it in. So I'll be back in a minute. Now guys, here it is. That's how much clearance I ended up with. So I'm rubbing right here on that molding. I'm gonna have to heat it up and bend it or something, but I don't know. I'll get down here and show you what it looks like. There's what it looks like with the new one in. It's all the way down. See over there too. So that's it for the back. All it is 4 bolts and you're good to go. What I ended up doing is sticking a scissor jack right in here and pulling this part down to get that bolt in. So we're good to go. So hope you liked it. Next video will probably be putting the front in. So we'll see you then. Have a good one. Bye.